Next example. Now let us see how many tens we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So here we are having 30 tens. Now children, this 10 tens 100. Again 10 tens 200 and 10 tens more. So total you have 30 tens. So 30 tens will give you 300. Okay children, I repeat, 30 tens means 300. And like this, if you have 40 tens, then it will become 400. If you have 50 tens, it will become 500. 70 tens 700 and 90 tens 900. Now see children, based on this subtopic, we have here a question, fill in the blanks. Now let us solve them. We write 100 as. Now how you will write 100 children? 1, 0, 0. So in 100 you have number 1. In tens, you have number 0 and in units, you have again 0. So when you write 100, you will write it as 100. In hundreds, you have number 1. In tens, you have number 0 and in units, you have number 0. Now, we read as. When you are reading it, it becomes 100. HUNDRED 100. Next, the number dash is the first and the smallest three-digit number. Children, just now we have studied first and the smallest three-digit number. It is number 100. Number 100 is our first and smallest three-digit number. Next, fourth one. 100 has dash 100, dash tens and dash units. Now children, if you see this number in hundreds, which number you have? It is 1. In tens, you have 0. And in units, you again have 0. So 100 has 1 in 100, 0 in tens and 0 in units. Dash is the smallest two-digit number. Children, we have revised today about smallest two-digit number. Which is our smallest two-digit number? It is 10. Dash is the smallest three-digit number. We have studied about it today. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Next, dash notes of 10 rupees each make 100 rupees. Now see children, 10 rupees, how many notes will give us 100 rupees? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay, I have drawn here few notes. Let us count and see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is giving 60 rupees. We want 100 rupees. So let us draw few more. This was 60, 70, 80, 90 and one more. 90 and 10, 100. See, this is 10 rupee note, children. Dash notes of 10 rupees each make 100 rupees. So 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and this becomes 100. So how many notes? They are asking us dash notes. So let us count the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 notes of 10 rupees each make 100 rupees. Okay children, now our next question. Counting by hundreds, fill in the missing numbers. Write the number names also. Now here you have the number, 3 columns, 100, tens and units. And this column you have to write the number name. Now counting by hundreds means you have to go 100 number forward. In whole hundreds you can say. After 100 you have 200, 200. Let us write in spelling TWO2 HUNDRED, 100, 200. Then next 100, 200 and next we have 300. So 300, 300. Then next after 300, 400. So we'll write in spelling FOUR 4, 100 spelling HUNDRED 400. Then after 400 you have 500. Children, this is counting by hundreds. That is why after 100, 200. After 200, 300. 300 and then 400. After 400, 500. After 5 you have 600. After 600 you have 700. After 700 you have 800. After 800 you have 900. So this is in whole hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. So let us now complete this number strip again in whole hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 is already written, 600, 700, 800 and then 900. So children, here we have completed with our today's subtopic of lesson 2 number work, that is whole hundreds. In our next class, we will be studying about how to read and write 3-digit numbers. Till then, I want you all to practice whatever I have taught you today. Thank you. Bye.